Welcome back, guys. So this week we saw a lot of pump and dump. Look at this candle on the weekly that has formed empty from the top, and there's a body over here. So a very bearish candle on the weekly, but the question is what is going to happen next week. So let's start with the weekly chart. As you can see, we are in this downward trend and we got rejected from here, and then we have formed this candle. To me, this is a very bearish candle that we have seen, looking similar to this one over here. Look at this one, similar to this one, and then you can see we saw a further drop towards the moving average. Not only this, the purple, it's very difficult to see, but the purple 100 moving average is also here. So we have rejected from here, also closed below that, and now I mentioned this before, since last 2 weeks I'm talking about this bear flag that is there on the weekly chart. So yes, a breakdown of this bear flag channel can lead to lower levels. In terms of the RSI, we are sitting at an RSI of 43 on the weekly. You can see roughly likes to go below 33 level, and we are at 43. So yes, further drop is possible looking at the weekly chart. Where will it drop to? As you know, 11,000 level is a psychological level that we have, so might try to find support over here. If not, the next level, as you know, 10,500. So these two levels will come into play. Very important. We have to see what happens, what type of action we see at these levels. There is a small possibility that we might also bounce from here, because this is the bottom part of the channel. We might go up to test around 12,500 and then try to reject from here. But just by looking at the type of candle that we have formed this week, I think we will see lower levels. 11,000, 10,900, this is possible. But this is the weekly chart. We have to go now towards the daily chart and see what it is telling us. So we can see very strong downward pressure given the information that US Fed provided to the market, that they will look at keep increasing the interest rates. So that is something we have to consider in our analysis. Also, even the daily RSI is sitting at 41.95, again likes to go around that 32 level mark. So yes, further drop towards 11,000, 10,900 is possible. If failed to hold, then 10,500 is coming. If price decides to pump from here, 11,500, which was previous support, will be resistance, and then roughly 11,750 where the 50 moving average in green is available, that will be another resistance. So overall, we can see that the market is under selling pressure. Also, if I jump over to the fear and greed index, before we were in the greed section, and you can see 1 month ago greed 63 over here, and now we are in the fear section. 42 points is the score. So still just the start point of fear. We can go down towards the 20-30 mark in the fear region. So yes, telling us that further drop can happen. Not only this, if we go and look at the dollar index, we are seeing that the price is making lower lows, but the RSI is roughly flat, and given the tone of the US Fed, there is a possibility, because look at this candle, there is no wick towards the upside. So this is actually a strong candle. There is a possibility of a further pump testing 105 level, which is the 100 moving average in purple, and if it is able to keep up the momentum, we might go up to test the 106, 107 dollar mark where the 50 moving average in green is available. So we have to keep that in our mind. RSI is only 41, so upside is possible. If that happens, then you know market will bleed. Both stock market, crypto market, both will bleed. Now let's quickly jump over to the 4-hour chart also and see what is happening. So once again, two times, one over here, you can see the market tried to come back into the bear flag channel, failed, and then second time failed, and now it is here. So quite the chance that we are going towards 11,000 next week, 10,900 roughly, this area. And if you're not able to hold this, then we are coming towards this level, 10,600, 10,500. 4-hour RSI sitting at 37. If we see a drop towards the 11,000 mark, we might get towards the 32 level RSI. So we have to be careful of that. And once again, reminder for everyone, look at how volatile the market is. If you are planning to actively trade the market, please don't forget to use proper risk management. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.